In a quiet village nestled in the valleys of Afghanistan, there lived a young boy named Azmatullah. He was kind-hearted, curious, and always dreamed of adventure. Azmatullah lived with his grandfather, who raised him on stories from the old days and taught him the value of honesty and hard work. One bright morning, while Azmatullah was walking to the market to help his grandfather sell pomegranates, he heard a strange sound coming from a tree. "Help! Help!" it cried. Startled, Azmatullah looked up and saw a colorful parrot trapped in a thorny bush. "Don't worry, I'll help you." Azmatullah gently freed the bird from the thorns. The parrot fluttered its wings and said, "You have saved me, kind boy. I am no ordinary bird, I am a magical parrot from the king's palace. In return for your kindness, I will grant you one wish." Azmatullah thought for a moment. He didn't want gold or power. He said, "I wish that my grandfather's garden would bloom again, like in the old days." The parrot nodded, flew into the sky, and vanished in a swirl of green and gold feathers. When Azmatullah returned home, he found his grandfather's garden bursting with flowers, fruit trees, and the sweet scent of jasmine. The once dry soil was now rich and alive, and neighbors gathered in wonder. News of the blooming garden spread far and wide, reaching the ears of the greedy village chief. Jealous, the chief demanded that Azmatullah bring him the magical parrot. When Azmatullah refused, the chief threatened to take the garden by force. That night, the magical parrot returned. Azmatullah told it everything. The parrot said, "Do not fear. Be honest and stay true to your heart." The next day, the chief stormed into the garden, only to trip over a root and land in a puddle of mud. Everyone laughed, but Azmatullah helped the chief up and offered him a basket of fruit. The chief was embarrassed, but touched by Azmatullah's kindness. Ashamed of his greed, the chief apologized and promised to be fair and generous. From then on, the village flourished, with Azmatullah and his grandfather's garden at its heart. Moral of the story: kindness and honesty are more powerful than greed. Helping others brings true reward.